Happy 18th birthday, Ate Colleen! Yan! Yay! And Ate Colleen, may you grow up to be God-centered always. Always listen to your parents. I think yun yung pinakamahalaga kasi they know best para sa'yo and they always want to make sure na magiging okay ka. And at the same time, always put God at the center ng lahat ng plano mo. We love you. And again, 1, 2, 3. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Colleen!
Happy birthday, Colleen. Sana na-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Grabe, 18 ka na pala. Dati ganito ka lang kalaki, oh. Ang wish ko sa'yo, kailangan ba mag-wish? Ang wish ko, sana, makikinig ka pa rin kay mami mo tsaka kay daddy mo kahit di ka na minor. Mahal ka nila, alam ko yon. At lagi magdadasal. Huwag mo kakalimutan yun. Yun lang ang sandata natin sa kahit anong posibleng mangyari. At huli, galingan mo lagi sa lahat ng gagawin mo, lalo college ka na. Para walang regrets. No, galingan mo. Ulit, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Colleen. We love you so much. Congratulations kasi now you're 18. Isa lang masasabi ko, always remember na there's always a bright future ahead of you. Galingan mo pa sa pag-aaral, galingan mo pa sa buhay. Ingatan mo lagi yung sarili mo, no? Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Colleen. Happy birthday.
Hello, Colleen. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And may God continue blessing you. Good health, happiness, and success. And enjoy in your special day. Have a blast. Hello.
Hi Colleen, happy 18th birthday. Wow, 18 ka na. First of all, I would like to congratulate your parents for having this huge party for you. Alam mo na, pangarap ng mga magulang na mapagdibon nila yung kanilang mga anak na babae. And this is it, okay? Ang wish ko sa'yo ay siyempre, joy. Yung maging joyful ka, especially in your disposition. Siyempre, 18 ka na, so you'll be making decisions, you know. So, sana laging joyful ang disposition mo. Tapos, always remember, you know, yung 3F, yung faith, family, and friends. Faith, that you put God always, you know, in your life. Put God first. In making decisions, you always pray, you ask God's help. Pag inuna mo ang iyong pananampalataya, ang Diyos ay I don't think magkakamali ka. So, always pray for wisdom. And then, next F is family. Yan, 'di ba? Lalo-lalo na tayo, nakita mo naman how strong and kung paano natin pinananatili na intact tayo at nakita mo yung pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa, whatever happens, you know, we're always together, hindi lang sa kasayahan but most of all sa ating mga troubles, mga problema. Wala tayong iwanan, 'di ba? Yan ang ano natin Ohana, nobody is left behind. So yan yung gusto kong lagi mong maalala, yung 3F na yan. And the last one would be friends, of course, 'di ba? Pero you got to choose your friends, right? Yan yung tatlong F that we value in our family: faith, family, and friends. And also, gusto ko na lagi mo din isipin na yung pagmamahal, bottom line, we do things out of love, nak. Gusto mo maging nurse kasi out of love of your family, or kung ito yung talagang gusto mo, kasi right now ang nasa isip natin pag naging nurse, mas madali yung magandang future for the family and for yourself. The value also of gratitude, yan. Never forget to be grateful in everything, you know. Upon waking up, you of course you thank God. Lahat ng mga maliliit na bagay na natatanggap mo, even if you take it as a blessing or as a trial in your life, thank the Lord, thank the people around you, your parents especially, and your siblings. You know, the power of gratitude. When we are grateful, you know, anak, a lot of blessing will be coming on your way. Hindi mo man hingin kasi you're such a grateful person. And I think ang haba na nang nasabi ko, pero those things I want you to remember habang, you know, you're starting with 18, going to 19, 20, and so on and so forth, as you know. And then, gusto kong malaman mo, or alam ko namang alam mo, that we love you so much. At nandito kami lahat para sa iyo at para sa inyong lahat, 'di ba? So, ikaw yung alam mo, triplets ang tawag namin sa inyo sa iyo, kay Colleen, kay Eli, at kay Kiel. So, nako, isa-isa na kayo nag-18. But anyway, mahal na mahal ka namin, Colleen. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. And we'll do everything for you, for all of you, you know. At nagpapasalamat kami sa Diyos kasi binigay nila kayo sa amin ni Papa. Kayong lahat, no lesser, you know, no less than. Walang lahat kayo ay pinagpapasalamat namin sa Diyos. We thank God for all of you, and masayang-masaya kami, you know, na lahat kayo, you belong to the family. Okay, have to go to work. Andito na ako sa work. Okay, bye and happy birthday! I love you. Bye.
Hi, Colleen. A very happy birthday, anak. Anak, tawag ko kay Colleen kasi sabi niya kasi siya yung pang 12 anak namin. Hindi daw siya apo. Kaya ang pagkakaalam ko, kapatid siya ng mami niya. Ano ba yun? Happy birthday, anak. It's a big day for you, I know. And I hope you are very happy on your 18th birthday. I wish I were there, but it's just not possible at all. So I'm watching you from a distance. Yeah, I'm very happy for you, and I hope you are very happy too. And this day is very important, anak, because it will signal the start of a new chapter in your life. I know. 18 years old dito sa Amerika, anak. When you hit 18, that means somehow a tinge of independence. Yeah, but in the same way in the Philippines, whether it be here or in the Philippines, there's some degree of independence. Independence in the sense that you are mature enough to make decisions for yourself. And I am pretty sure you know and understand fully well the consequences of every decision that you make. So it will spell the difference between a happy life and a not so happy life in the future. So you are big enough to decide for yourself, and I trust you. Your mom and dad trust you so much, and you are going to be the beacon of light in the future, not only for your parents but for your siblings as well. You are the second nanay, and when you become a full-fledged nurse, you will be the one to bring them all over here to the United States of America. So do not look at it as a burden, but look at it as a goal that is very, very reachable. And rest assured that all of us, lalong-lalo na ako, anak, I am always here. I have your back. I will always support you until you reach the fulfillment of your dreams. Happy, happy, happy birthday. And I have a song for you too. Colleen, kapag dumarating yung pagkakataon na parang pinanghihinaan ka ng loob, pakinggan mo lang tong awit na to na awitin ko para sa iyo. Let your hearts be troubled. Do not stay afraid. It is really I who you seek. I offer you now my peace. I have waited for this moment to be with you again. In my heart you'll remain. In your heart I'll stay. I'm with you till the end of your days. I am in you. Have faith that I hold you even when you let go, and I love you, you must know. I am here, I am ever with you. Do not let your heart be troubled. Do not stay afraid. I'm beyond all anguish or death. I've risen to life anew. When you feel that you've been empty, and can give no more. Know that I am your breath, and I feel your soul. I am with you till the end of your days. I am in you. Have faith that I hold you even when you let go. And I love you, you must know. I am here, I am ever with you. I am with you till the end of your days. I am in you. Have faith that I hold you even when you let go. And I love you, you must know. I am here, I am ever with you.